today's video, it's going to be a real quick one. I'm just wanting to come online here, just to let you know that I am thinking about you. Thank you for all the lovely, lovely comments that you send, encouraging words. It means a lot to me. And the video that I was hoping to get up is not ready yet, but I have a homework assignment for you. If your goal is to earn more money in TPT this year, then what I would like you to do between now and the next video is to take a hard look at your data, okay? What does that mean? It means not just looking at your earnings. I want you to either create a spreadsheet for yourself, or I have a spreadsheet in one of my TPT seller products on TPT. The link to my store will be down below. But what I want you to do is I want you to look at earnings. I want you to look at views. Look at March's views and look at April's views, and let's look at how we're going to increase our views for this year. Look at February, what's happening right now. So compare what's happening as far as views, conversion rates, sales. So unit sales, how many are you actually selling? What is the average price of your store? Okay, that's something that was a huge shock to me when I saw it. And let me just tell you, it was under $3. I think it was I want to say $2.80. That's not good. We need to get that number up. We'll talk about that later. But I want you to look at what your average price of your store products are. Don't count your freebies. And actually, I don't think I even counted my bundles. I wanted to see what a single price was. If you're not sure, you can actually get a listing of all your products, and you can do that in TPT. If you need a tutorial for that, let me know. But I want you to go through different stuff, okay? I want you to look into your sales, and I want you to look to see how often you are getting repeat customers. Repeat customers are part of this way we're going to increase our sales this year, okay? So look at all the stuff. Look to see what your top 10 products were for January. What were they for December? What are they right now for February, right? Create a spreadsheet, write it all down, okay? Because we are going to, in the next video, have a good look at our TPT stores. We want your TPT store to stand out when people look at it. We want yours to, even though the layout of it is the same as everyone else's, we want your store to stand out, and we're going to work on how do we make it stand out. We want your products to stand out. We want people to associate certain types of products with you, right? Especially when there are so many others existing. You know, being in the K-2 niche is tough, but there's still a way for me to stand out, and that's what I'm working on. How do I change things around so I'm going to stand out amongst all the rest of them? Okay, so that's your homework, and I'm hoping that this video is going to come up, is going to be uploaded for next weekend. If it isn't, I'll come on again and give you another quick assignment, okay? So wherever you are in the world, I hope you and your family are staying safe, being healthy. You can watch some videos, right? But do your homework. See ya.